Hi, I'm Vic, and this is a set of complete plans. Most homeowners never read this. They just hand it to the contractor and say, Sige, ikaw na bahala. That's how mistakes happen. So today, let me walk you through the four most important types of plans in simple terms that anyone can understand. A complete set of plans is not just one drawing. It's a package, four separate documents, each one covering a specific part of your house. And you need all four not just for your building permit, but because each one protects a different part of your investment. Now, there are more categories like mechanical plans, electronics, and others. These are also important and may be required for your building permit depending on your project. But we'll cover those in a separate video, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. First is architectural plans. Think of this as the looks and layout plan. It shows your floor plan, every room, wall, door, and window. It shows what your house looks like from the front, back, and sides. It also shows your roof shape and close-up drawings of things like your staircase, tiles, and window types. Why do you need it? Because without it, your contractor is guessing on every measurement and detail. If it's not in this plan, it doesn't officially exist. Next is structural plans. Think of this as the bones plan. It shows your foundation, how deep it goes, and how many steel bars are inside the concrete. It shows your columns, your beams, and your concrete floors, the sizes, the steel bar spacing, everything. Why do you need it? Because the Philippines is one of the most earthquake-active countries in the world. This plan is calculated specifically for your house, your lot, your soil, your load. Copying it from another house without recalculating is how buildings collapse. The third plan is electrical plans. Think of this as the power plan. It shows where every outlet, switch, and light goes in every room. It lists all your circuit breakers and the correct wire size for each line. It also includes a calculation of how much electricity your whole house needs to run safely. Why do you need it? Electrical fires are one of the top causes of house fires in the Philippines. This plan makes sure your wiring is correct before the concrete is poured, because once the walls are closed, fixing a mistake means breaking them open. And the last plan is plumbing and sanitary plans. Think of this as the water in, water out plan. It shows how clean water travels from your meter to every faucet, shower, and toilet. It also shows how waste and used water flows out of your house into your septic tank or sewer. Why do you need it? Bad plumbing is one of the most expensive things to fix after construction. Now that you have your complete plans ready, the next critical step is finding the right person to actually build your house. Because even the most detailed, perfectly designed plans mean nothing if the contractor you hire is incompetent, dishonest, or disappears halfway through your project. I've seen it happen too many times. In my next video, I walk you through 13 specific steps to find a reliable house contractor in the Philippines. Watch that video next.